Have you ever tried to jump into your favorite online game, only to find yourself inexplicably stuck, unable to connect to servers or play with friends? It is incredibly frustrating when a game you are eager to play just will not launch or connect properly, especially when everything else on your computer seems to work fine. The most common reason for this puzzling situation is that your computer's firewall is blocking the game. To fix a game that your firewall is blocking, you will need to add an exception for the game within your firewall settings, allowing it to communicate freely, particularly for inbound connections. Your firewall acts like a digital security guard for your computer, constantly monitoring all incoming and outgoing network traffic. Its job is to prevent unauthorized access and protect you from potential threats. By default, firewalls are often cautious, and they might not automatically recognize a new game as safe, leading them to block its connection attempts. The key here is understanding that for online games, especially for features like multiplayer or matchmaking, your game needs to receive information from the internet. This incoming data is what your firewall might be stopping. By creating an exception, you are essentially telling your security guard that this specific game is friendly and should be allowed through. Let us walk through how to do this on a Windows computer. First, open your Windows security settings, which you can usually find by searching for it in the Start menu. Once there, navigate to the section labeled Firewall and Network Protection. You will then see an option that says Allow an app through Firewall. Click on this. On the next screen, you might need to click the Change Settings button, which typically requires administrator permissions. Scroll through the list to see if your game is already listed. If it is, simply tick the box next to its name, making sure to check both the private and public network columns if they appear. If your game is not in the list, you will need to click the Allow Another App button. From there, select Browse and locate the main executable file for your game. This is often in the game's installation folder, usually ending with .exe. Once you have found and selected it, click Add, and then make sure to enable it for private and public networks before clicking OK. It is also a good idea to check your router's firewall settings if the problem persists after adjusting your computer's firewall. Many routers also have their own firewalls, and you might need to configure port forwarding or add the game to a trusted applications list there as well. Remember, only allow programs through that you trust and have installed yourself, as opening ports can have security implications. By taking these simple steps to allow your game through the firewall, you will ensure a smoother, more reliable online gaming experience. This helps prevent frustrating disconnections and allows your game to access all its online features, keeping you connected to the action and your friends without unnecessary interruptions.